Hey guys, Victor here with Lightspeed Construction, here inspecting a roof for a customer. I believe the roof is about 17 years old. It does have dimensional shingles on it. The problem with this roof, it's losing a lot of shingles. I think what's going on is these shingles, when the roof was installed, I believe the shingles, they had the nails shot through the shingles pretty much. I'm trying to show it there. There is a nail there, but unfortunately it's kind of gone through the shingle, so it's not really doing a whole lot. Here's another area there, and that's kind of the story on this whole roof. I'm pulling up the shingles just to take a look, and it looks like most of the shingles, I'd say about 75% of the shingles are have the nails gone through the shingles, so that's definitely going to be causing some issues. You can see that you have a shingle that's already slid off there. There's quite a few shingles that have been that are blown off, especially on the other side of the house. You can see there's patches that have been made. Try to show this area right there. You can see shingles are already sliding off. You can see that. So there's lots of shingles that are getting ready to come off, and gonna try to get this customer taken care of before it starts raining or weather gets bad. Looks like it's probably just gonna be time. I am gonna recommend the roof replacement, especially with nails. About 75% of the nails having gone through the shingles. I wouldn't really recommend the repair. Just really wouldn't be worth it. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Give us a call if you need anything roof or gutter related. Thanks.